Teddy, ready? Ready, Teddy? Come here, fucker. Jesus. Welcome back, everybody. This is a little embarrassing, but Zayne and I recorded Super Mario World Part 1, and, well, the audio was lost, so I thought no big deal. We'll just do a voiceover, we'll talk about something else, talk about ourselves. So we did that. We recorded it all in it, and it came out, and, I mean, it was actually pretty shitty because my computer, my laptop, which is from 2009, very, very old, doesn't work very well, not a whole lot of processing power, it shut off in the middle of us recording, which I thought, ah, shit, we gotta start over or just scrap it all and say, fuck it, start over, but turns out it had recovered most of the audio, so we just continued on from where we were on that. Then, after that, the capture that we were looking at, it stopped, so we weren't able to see our video anymore, so we had some problems. But after all that, I got it all done. The video was there, the audio was there, the new audio, the one that we just created, and I tried to put them into our editing software, and it just wasn't working quite well, so I was trying to look at it, and the video was corrupt, so that's great. Which means that the video was garbage. Now we have a useless audio track talking about a bunch of stuff. I mean, we covered a lot of personal things, but I mean, if you guys want that kind of videos, you can ask for like a Q&A kind of deal. Just leave questions in the comments or anything. But other than that, I'm gonna scrap that audio probably. But yeah, I'm just explaining basically what happened in the first video. We got through the first world. We got through Yoshi's Island. We got over to Donut Land or whatever, and that's where this video will pick up. This is technically part 2, so you guys missed out on part 1. Sorry for that. I'll try to, I don't know what happened, I really don't, but hopefully that won't happen again. If it does, hopefully the voiceover will work, and hopefully the video won't be stupid. Basically everything that could go wrong went wrong, so thank you guys for understanding and watching. If you like this video, hopefully you will, maybe. I mean, it's just, we're just playing Mario and talking a lot, so. Well, enjoy. Welcome back to Super Mario World.
I love it, Mario's walking in place.
I know.
He's just like, up.
Here we go.
Upstairs, he's just like doing that really fast run, like Ginyu was doing.
Like Ginyu.
He's just like, I'm not going. I'm not getting any further. Oh my god, look at that scenery. Oh, this game is so beautiful. Oh my god, he's super...
Oh, I did destroy the cape. Fuck. My bad. Sorry. I destroyed the cape. Oh.
They're gonna hate you now.
They are. They're gonna be pretty upset.
Oh my god. Oh,
fuck.
Jesus Christ. Why does a football player have a baseball?
I don't know. Because he wants one. Yeah, I got it. That's a cape.
That's a feather.
It's a cape.
That's a feather.
It's a cape.
Now it's a cape. Oh, fire plant. Dude,
fuck!
They mixed Zelda in this. They got the fire plants. Oh, okay. It's not. Okay, no, it's not fire plant, but like that plant right there, it looks like the one from Zelda almost.
Alright, I just fucking got the cape and lost it.
Pretend I didn't say that it was bad. Oh, he almost
it was not a cape.
He almost wrecked him.
Oh yeah, it's this thing. This is like choose the right. Oh fuck. It's like choose the right one, and you get the one up. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck! Damn it! Ah, I forgot. You have to hit all 3 of them. You gotta get them in the right order.
Oh, you're in trouble now.
Otherwise, you don't get it, and it's gonna be. Yeah, yeah.
You just got a 1-man?
1 man.
Yeah, 1 man.
We'll do this one. This one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, 2-man.
2 man.
You got another 1-man. Go you.
Yeah. So that's.
Now
that's
you can give me a free life. Yeah.
I can give you a free life. You don't need my handouts.
I'm an adult. You just jump over him. He's just like, let me just fly. Oh, that's gone.
Oh, there goes that.
He just jumped over him again. It's like, feels like they swoop up, like, right as you're about to jump on him. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He's like, give me my cape back.
Damn it! Son of a bitch.
It's okay, you got a Yoshi now. I like how it looks like he's about to burp.
I know.
Like, when he comes out of the shell, he's just like...
Oh, there it is. It is.
Oh!
Give me.
Oh, it was like a super cape.
I didn't
and then
get
baseball. Fuck.
Fuck Yoshi.
What are you leaving? What are you doing?
Fuck Yoshi.
can't fuck Yoshi.
There's two baseballs.
That's animal porn, first of all. Secondly, it is wrong to fuck animal.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Duck! Or don't duck.
I got him.
Oh, it's okay. Fuck him.
Okay. Now I
Spinny.
just...
Do the spinny move.
Oh, I'm gonna fly. Ah, didn't work.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's like from Mario 3, when you could use the raccoon.
That's funny. Oh! He's like, gets so mad, he rips his hat down so hard that his hat goes through it. He's just like, put it down, put it down. I just can't deal with this anymore. This stupid princess is making me hate my life. My anxiety is through the roof.
See this?
Oh.
It was like... I didn't... just like for a second, it's like... Huh! Oh, I gotta run against it, sorry, hold on. Oh! See a little
He
twitch?
just like runs straight out.
Oh, God. No! No! Fuck! God damn it.
Kaden, you're good at this.
I was doing pretty good.
You're really good at this game. You didn't even get the checkpoint. I'm going back to the castle.
I did get the checkpoint. No, I didn't. I went through the tube.
God damn it. Alright, I got it. I like how when Luigi does it, he just like calls his shot like Babe Ruth is just like, I got this, folks.
Got it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You're gonna want the cape so you can fly.
I'm being incognito.
Yeah.
I blend in with the scenery, see?
Yeah, you look like a shrub.
Thank you.
Because no one ever sees Luigi.
Oh, first try. First try! Get away!
Oh god. So you hit... Okay, you would have held the run button.
Come back here!
You better go get your fire flower. Oh, it's gone. Good for you. So go get the cape again. Yeah, there he is. There's Capey.
I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die. Just gotta get Capey. Whoa. Baseball.
Fuck them.
There's Capey. Get him. You got him.
I like how it looks like he has eyeshadow. He just looks at you like,
What
the fuck? What do you expect me to do about this?
Alright.
I'm not the one controlling me, asshole. He just like looks at you like, what are you doing?
It's like before a game, just like, dear God, please let me get the cape.
He's just like, I wanna
I
fly.
almost missed it.
I wanna be an airborne
actually.
ranger.
Live a life of guts and danger. You never sang the case. You weren't in the army.
No.
You weren't. I was.
No, but I know the song.
Yeah.
So, no, I wasn't born under a rock.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh shit! How I do this? I forget. Oh, I forgot.
Oh, those baseballs are killer, man. This is like super balls.
Alright, I forget how to do it.
Oh my god, look at this so happy clouds. And then the clouds in the background. What? That's a little bit misleading. What are you in the ionosphere? Is that where we are?
We are now.
Oh. No, we're troping around in the troposphere.
Fuck.
Just like he eats your feather, he's just like mine.
Got the feather.
He's like, come back here.
Oh, checkpoint.
Checkpoint. Fuck all of it. Oh god. Don't fucking, you're in the way. It's gonna hit you. Kaden, you're going nowhere. You're
Fuck! Bastard flower.
bastard.
Yeah.
You bastard. Hey Yoshi, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing? Adrian.
Fuck.
Now he's gone for it. It's the same flower.
It's the same flower. But at least I got the checkpoint. At least I got the checkpoint. Now you get to start from the
We're in world 2.
We are on donut.
Okay, hold on. I gotta do some stretches. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Your face in a different
2.
direction when you land.
1, 2.
Alright.
1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Oh shit! Did you see that fucking curveball?
For all of you who fell asleep, I'm so sorry.
Oh. Watch me speedrun this, cause I'm
Yeah, speedrun. Go! Don't let go of the B button.
Fuck.
Don't let go. Don't let go.
He just jumps into it like a dick. Damn it.
What? How unfortunate. You were doing so positively.
Slowly draining.
So good.
Is there like an infinite live glitch in this?
You can just get a bunch of one-ups. Oh god.
Oh,
Why did I do
this
that?
is great.
Can I go in here? This thing?
Oh.
Really?
Oh.
Oh,
It
yeah.
teaches
No, I
you.
remember this. I forget. Okay, this is where I learned how to do it again. Yeah, okay, you run up the wall. And I think you just hold. Yeah, there you go. Oh, I was holding. Oh, fuck, okay. You jump, and then you just look. Okay, I gotta. Just give me a second.
We're gonna
here.
give Kaden some tries on this.
He's so angry. Look at him.
He's just like, God, you fucking suck at this.
Alright, so you jump.
It's like my mind went numb because of how
And then-
bad
yeah.
you are. Oh my God, it's like a parachute. He's like a dolphin.
You press down. Oh my god.
It's like an airborne dolphin.
Jump. And then you press down. No.
Try pressing up.
I did, but it was like.
Press left.
Okay. Up. Up. God, I gotta.
You're getting it.
I got this. I'm gonna cut all this out.
No, let them see this.
I tried.
I want them to see the
Does it-
struggle.
Does it not work?
I want them to understand the life I live. Hey, I realize, is this back when Mario had black hair?
Yeah.
This is back before they changed it to brown hair and a black mustache?
Yeah. I'm trying to press up. It's not working.
Oh man, this is good.
What the fuck?
Let me try.
You get this.
Oh, you think you're gonna die now? You have
Oh,
no faith in yourself.
oh.
Oh, what do? You just tap it?
You hold back. It's like
Tappity-tap.
it's like airplane controls.
Oh, of course it is. Why would it not be?
All right, we're back.
'Cause they had airplanes in this.
Figured it out. You gotta hold back.
It's like a dolphin, literally. It's like boing,
Boing.
whoop,
Get all the
whoop.
coins.
Oh,
And he just slides on his belly.
dolphin to penguin. I give you a da 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 da
Da da.
da da.
Run, jump.
It's just like, "Arr."
Didn't make it.
Just like you suck.
Jump.
Just like you throw him so high into the sky and then down onto his face. Jet landing.
All right,
Oh man.
there we go.
Like his flappy. It looks like a
I
carpet.
keep missing. It looks like a carpet. It's the magic carpet. You can't tell. They're riding on the back. Like,
This is where Aladdin got all his skills from watching this. Yeah, one of our subscribers is Aladdin, ladies and gentlemen. Not kidding.
You thought I was joking?
Thought I was kidding? Not kidding.
You gotta be kidding me.
Not kidding you. Are you shitting me? You're shitting. Not shitting. You're shitting.
You're
Oh.
shitting all over the carpet. All right,
You better not shit on my
that's
cape.
good. That's good.
See, that's going there. Yeah, did you have fun in flight practice?
Yep.
Fuck you.
Now I remember how to do
Oh
it.
shit, they're after you now. They're on you like black on Mario's mustache. Oh, it fucked you down to a little guy. Jump.
Oh my god, I was pressing. Oh my god, this controller.
I know.
I went this way, it just went down, he crouched. Oh.
Oh, I'm leaving. No, go back. Oh, Kaden. You were good.
Ladies and gentlemen,
You were so good.
that plan. I'm like,
That plan
I'm gonna
needs
draw
to go
evil eyes on
away.
it. It needs to leave. It needs to go
Oh wait,
home.
can I have that?
You go slow down there and practice.
It
your
needs to
flying.
go home. Oh, look at that freebie. I don't want your handouts. I'm going to kill myself.
Go. Why? There you go. Get some one-ups. Some coinage. You did good. You did so good. We're gonna rename this day. Zane got some coins day.
Yay! We're gonna
You
name
know
it.
who else got some coins?
Your mama! Your mama got some coins.
The Jews.
The Jews. The Jewses.
The Jews.
Sir Jesus himself.
Sir Jesus. If any of you are of the Jewish faith out there,
Fuck you.
well, I'm sorry
I'm kidding.
for his attitude towards you.
I'm kidding. I love all of you.
Yeah, and your coupons.
Wow! Wow! That is extremely racist, bassist.
Right. Boom, 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 doom, doom, doom.
Fly!
Uh.
Look at his hat.
He's got angry eyes when he does that.
Why are you so angry, Luigi? Your girlfriend didn't break up with you, did she? Fuck!
Fucking.
He's like, fucking sick of this.
No, the problem is that he didn't get one until like. Well, shit. When did Daisy come? Was it a Mario Tennis
Is that
game?
why they put Daisy in?
Yeah,
because Mario is stealing Peach.
Mario got Peach,
Oh,
so he gets
man.
Daisy.
Yoshi, or Luigi, they finally love you as I die.
When did Daisy come in? I forget.
I don't know. I didn't know that was why. That is
Princess Daisy.
That is some news. I didn't know that's why they brought. Oh my god! Fuck you.
At least you got through the plant. As soon as I say that, you got ruined.
Wreck. Fucking.
I think this mission has just been, or this world, has just been the episode right now. At this point, do you want to just cut this out?
No, we're not cutting this out.
Are you sure?
Fucking doing it.
Are you positive?
We're not gonna have this ending on a bad note. Don't even get the coins. Fuck them.
I need 1-ups.
You're fine. You have 9 lives. You're like a cat right now.
I don't want to be a cat.
You're gonna be a cat and you're gonna like it.
You will like it.
You will be a kitty. Just like in Super Mario 3D World, which is my favorite power-up, by the way.
You're the cat?
Yes.
Like that too.
Yeah, I love it. It's just great.
Huh.
He's just like angry and then he's just like, ee. Watch out for the plant. The plant's gonna fuck you.
Fuck you, plant. I fucking got it. It's gone. It's gone forever.
He's here.
What? He jumped over me! What a dick! What a huge
Plant
cock!
is gone.
Alright, I'm gonna just try to keep Yoshi this time.
Oh, this game is just insane.
I got him! Okay, still got Yoshi. Alright, there we go. There we
Just
go.
Go. Oh.
Okay, well,
Bye, Yoshi.
thank you, Yoshi.
Don't fuck this up.
TJ Yoshi.
Kaden.
I was right.
Did you see the ending? I saw the end. It was
I was right there. Whoa. Whoa.
Let me in. I just couldn't.
Let me in. Well, at least we got our 1-up backs. 1-up specs. You can run into it. There you go.
I love how slowly he runs up the side of a wall.
Nailed it.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Have the time of your life right now, huh?
Uh-huh. Oh my goodness.
Just fucking
Go up the wall,
God
Luigi.
damn it.
Oh, for the love of God. I hate you so much.
Just take an hour. Don't you?
Oh, this is just awful.
Just take your lifetime to get up there.
Shut your mouth. Oh my god, this is so painful. Oh my god, I'm so good at this game. Oh, I got it!
Yay!
Yeah!
A whole 2 swoops. You did it! You nailed it, buddy.
Thank you. That is all I wanted to hear.
You nailed it, buddy.
Stop! God damn.
You got 1-up.
Oh, thank Christ. Just right into the hole.
Right in.
Alright, let's do this. Whoa.
Thread the
Whoa.
needle.
Whoa! Oh, you fucking
Get it,
dick.
get it, get
Wait,
it.
wait, wait.
Before it falls. Get it. Yes. Good job.
Oh,
Good work, Luigi. Bruh.
fuck that. I don't even want you.
Why? Yoshi's so helpful.
I don't even care.
Would have helped you right there. He's
Oh, you fucking
saved you right there. I feel like you're upset. What? What's the matter?
Oh, I was
Don't grab me. Assault!
They don't care. What are they gonna come through the mic and save you?
Yes.
Oh,
Watch, here they go. Oh god! Get out!
Kate, you don't need another one up. Oh my god.
I don't need another 1-up. Don't tell me what I need.
Kate, you have 9 lives. You're a cat.
And I had 10.
Fuck your 10. Fuck your 10 lives. Fuck you. Buckofama.
Buck Ofama.
Yeah, think about it. Okay, you're 10. Go.
Alright.
Jesus Christ. Holy shit. how I get mesmerized.
silence.
You just get mesmerized by your coinage. And you're angry.
Get mesmerized by my jewel.
You know, it's funny. It's just funny because like your guy's so angry. Yet that little block that we run up, he's so happy. Oh, we're getting somewhere. We're getting better. Oh, you fucking dodged him. Don't even get on him if you fuck him.
You say fuck him. I say fuck him. Yoshi, no. Yoshi. Okay, fine.
Just kill him. Oh, we're getting.
Oh!
Ah! Oh, he's
Pro
such a
dodge.
sneaky little bastard.
Got him. Fuck.
Doesn't even matter.
I need that. Come here. It fell.
Why did it fall?
All the way through.
Don't let the baseball guy get you. He's here.
Okay.
Just run through. He's right there. Jump!
Yes!
Oh my god.
Okay. All right, we did it.
All right. Next time we'll actually make it through a couple levels.
Let's kick our ass so hard.
Next time on
Super Mario World.
Next time on NPCs, we're gonna go into the flame pit.
Into the flame pit, or are we going over to Boo's house?
Oh, I wanna go say hi to Booze.
Say hi, Boo's.
Hey Booze.
Can you? No. We gotta wait. We gotta say hi to his cousin first.
Oh hey cousin.
His cousin Boo's. All right. See you guys.
All right. See ya. Thank you for watching us fuck up.
If you like the video,
It's just
feel free to share it. Share the video with your friends. Make it even. Get your shit out of here.
All right, 8 and 8.
8 and 8. Sounds good.
All
All right. So yeah, please feel free to share.
Man,
tell your friends about us. If you enjoy our content, that is. If you don't, do it anyways. I mean,
anyways, and just stop watching.
do it because we didn't want you to. Wink.
Wink, wink.
And it's reverse psychology, and you wanna
Do it for the lumberjack.
do it for the lumberjack. What?
It's all right. You went along with it.